Hey there, so this is going to be me documenting my journey growing tropical fruit trees or whatever fruit trees I can get my hand on from seed. So this is a guava seed. You see the little root on that? It took me, I think, 2 to 3 weeks to even get to this point, which is like really slow. I want to put that one back. So initially what I did was I ate the guava and I kept the seeds. And then I soaked in water for like forever, and I kept changing the water every day so it doesn't go bad. And then I did paper towel method and nothing was happening. And people online were saying it does take a while. So then I was just like, you know what, I'll put it in cocoa coir to keep it moist. And that's when I actually noticed it started to germinate more. Or it could just be its time. I had it outside, so it's hot too. And this seed here is a pomegranate. Same thing, I soaked in water, put in paper towel, and actually all the ones that I have in using the paper towel method indoors is not germinating, but the ones like right here, you can see this pomegranate, it's germinating. So if you do it, I think soak it in water and then keep it in paper towel if you don't have a growing medium for it yet, but definitely a growing medium, and I think the heat probably really helps it too, because I know for my fig cutting it didn't root until it got hot, or I like added the heat element. So there's that, and then I'm going to show you my Asian pears from seed. So here in this tray are Asian pears from seed, and these actually I kept in the paper towel method. I had 3. I put 1 in the ground and that totally just dried up and died. It's been really hot. It's been like 80-90 degrees out here in zone 7A. And here, actually, can you guess what it is? I know you can't guess. Sorry, I was just being stupid. So these are rambutans. Vietnamese called jum jum. I ate them and I wasn't really thinking much of it. My husband's like, oh, why don't you grow these? And I actually tried it before I did the paper towel method, but they all got moldy. But these I had in paper towel for like not even a week, and then I checked it and I noticed it rooted a little bit. I'll show you a picture because I don't want to take these up, but I was pretty surprised by that. And the thing was, the seed wasn't wrapped in paper towel. I actually just had it in there next to the wet paper towel. So if you do it, just, I guess, don't wrap it. Maybe that, I don't know, for whatever reason that helped. And here, I'm gonna zoom in. Here is, I thought this died, but it came back. This is a seedling from Envy apple. It's like just freaking delicious. So I got that, and I think this is the daisy flower. Anyway. So I've been watering it and just tossing wheat nearby to make the soil here better, because the soil in this area sucks. Besides that, I want to share my bitter melon. So this just started on its own. It was a volunteer, and it started to climb up the trellis. So hopefully we'll make it up there and fruit. It started flowering, you can see here. But they're just female flowers. But I've been watering almost every day. And here I have a long squash. I know, really tight tight squeeze. And here is Korean sweet potato or yam. Here, Thai basil. It wasn't the type I was looking for, actually. I was looking for this other type that smells really good. But oh well. And here's a little perilla plant that I need to transplant. Oh, and just going back to the bitter melon. A lot of people were like, you should try to get it to root some more. So I actually put some of like a branch of it over to help make it stronger, since it isn't a planter. But as you can see, this is very dry, so it's probably not going to root anytime soon. So let me I'm going to add some stuff over here and get some water. just noticed this okra. It's very sad looking right here. So I just watered that. And just give this some water. I'm going to show you my artichoke. I already harvested it. I kept some out. So I can collect some seeds.